Okay, we're live. So we've been just setting up some of the stuff today, some of our lines and stuff like that. I'm gonna make like 100% on UAL because it's up like 2% today. Um, what's it called? Yeah. So the other one was accidentally private. So now here we are. Anyway, hello.
Hello. I'm here too.
Hello.
Okay, so
Amazon. Are my Amazon levels up? They're not up. So I'll set the level. I'm not gonna. I wouldn't get in until this probably. Actually, yeah, 270 is a consolidation point. Um, absolute peaks on this shit is 280,
yeah,
2080. So that's probably where I'll set that. Why is this 5 minutes? Oh, I was like so confused. I was like, I don't use the 5 minute. The 5 minute I feel like does not help me anymore. I feel like the 15 minute tells me like way more than I need to know. Because it gives you the context, I guess. I don't know. I like it. And then I'll just keep this.
yeah. 5 minute. I saw one comment in some chat, and they were like, "I never use the 1 minute anymore. 5 minute has been my
2 minutes
game
is
changer."
nice because it's like less noisy.
Yeah.
I don't mind that one actually. Do I have my shopping cart?
Disney has really good lines. So wait, so Disney is so like these points where it's getting rejected are very obvious. You can see it in the daily. Like I made them and they've showed up in the pre-market before.
On Disney?
Yeah, so I made these lines on the daily chart, and they showed up very closely on the pre-market where it got rejected, like right here, right here, and right here.
Let me set my outer limits on the pre-market then, because then I can redraw as a channel. Oh, cool. Why am I not just doing this? Why am I doing it twice? I'm so stupid. Holy shit.
Yo, you need to get a look at Baba.
Okay.
You can go to the bathroom. Look at the Baba Tam.
Oh wow, well, next on my list. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? Create alert. Redraw as channel. Actually, yes, I need to be drawing channels. It's taking too long to. I wish it would let me do both at the same time. Okay, so Beyond is here currently. And Beyond's a mover, so I'm gonna set my levels to be here. No. I feel like crosses should be the natural, like average or whatever. There we go. Instead of crosses below or whatever it is that I'm doing, it's really annoying to deal with. I have 2 alerts. Do I not have an alert down here? I don't get so many alerts today. It's crazy. Alright, let me think. Alright. We'll start doing our channels, hopefully. Did I set Tesla's levels? I did not. Oh, that's why. Dog, how do I join this fucking channel? Holy shit. Whatever. I'm not gonna get that alert because I fucked it up. Cool. Yo, going through this takes so long. Holy cow. I need to clear all my drawings soon. I'm gonna go over only two more, and that'll be Qualcomm. I guess Qualcomm's not a huge mover. UAL, SPY, UNH. Those are the ones. So UAL. UAL, if it hits 82 today, I'm going to sell that position. Why did I send alerts so high? Fuck hell. Alright, let's at the bottom part of this block. Right there. 81 is still pretty high. I'm going to set the lower end of this one. 80. That's where I want it to be. Why not it goes below? If it's above the fucking price, you can code that in so easily. Like, naturally, what on earth do you think I'm gonna do? Am I gonna sell or fucking buy that position? Jesus Christ. It's not hard. You know the current price. Maybe it is done that way, but it's done on the last average price? That'd be possible. I gotta go above then. So then, I doubt they're doing it right though. Oh wow, UAL hit. Crossover price of 487.80. Oh, just fucking now. Yeah, okay, good. Wait, what? Yes. Holy shit, that's amazing. I love this. Create level drawing. Crosses below. Nope. Yeah, these guys suck at drawing. Yo, TD, if you ever need someone to fix your software, give me a call. Because I could do it. Or you know what? Maybe I should script my own. I gotta figure out how your fucking price words work. Because then I'm just gonna do my own. I don't give a shit about your thing anymore. Okay, so UAL is breaking above my thing, so that's fucking awesome. That means my next thing's at 81, so I'll just wait on that. And I have all the prices here, so it shouldn't be a problem at all. Holy, what the fuck? Yeah, okay, that's not that much. Not as much as I thought. I'm so bad at judging these sometimes, it's actually terrible. Create a little drawing. I'm above the price, so obviously I want to know if it should cross above. You know, logically. Why am I talking like this? I don't know. Maybe because I'm retarded. Anyway, cool. So the prices are priced in. The stocks are ready. They're ready to be traded by me. I think I'm gonna give access to some latest updates. Sorry, I like to sing. I don't actually like to sing. I don't really care. Anytime I open up anything else, it fucking blows the fuck. $85. Mr. Beats. Avengers is a fucking playthrough?
Quality writing makes your schoolwork better. Meet Grammarly, the digital writing assistant that helps students create effective writing that delivers results. Get
You know that old saying, never meet your heroes? Well, I did. And it was awesome. The Avengers were everything I imagined.
cool. Let me check it out. At once. Try to keep up. You waiting? Yeah, obviously. Figured I'd let you catch up. Whoa! This just got a whole lot more interesting.
Let's make this quick.
Where?
Or see if you can clear a path on the bridge.
Yeah. Just waiting. I set all the alerts. And I'm watching this freaking gameplay. It looks pretty dope, actually.
Whoa, looks cool.
It looks tiny. Never mind. This is so cool. I love this. This is my favorite thing about Opera right now. What in the fuck?
Did you just close?
Close everything, bro. I'm done. This world is over. Yeah, I did. I have to reopen it individually. There. It's because I was dragging it around like an idiot.
Did you say everything? The lines?
I did, yeah. I skipped
Okay.
like one or two, but it was like for
Okay.
gold and shit. So,
Alright.
dude,
You
fucking.
set them for Amazon?
I did.
Alright. Can we compare?
Yeah, please. No, I did. Okay. So I set mine at 2085 and at 2040.
Cool.
So only if it breaks those, to me, I feel like it'll.
I think 2040, yeah.
Because this margin is too small.
I set mine as 2050 compared to yesterday. Because that's where it broke. That was the previous resistance.
Probably a better move, yeah.
2050 and then 2089 is... Because I'm just looking at this pre-market for after earnings. Because that's going to be the...
thing, yeah.
Levels.
Did you set the alert for it?
No.
Or should I?
I'll set the alerts, I guess.
Okay.
A little bit before.
Yeah, I don't think it's coming down. Dude, UAL is like gapping the fuck up. It's like 81 now.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh,
Oh.
man, that's awesome. Okay.
Yeah, so it's holding 85 right now. Or 80.5.
Tesla's right at the gap fill now.
It's like on it? What if
Right,
it just
it's
fucking
on it.
fills it?
Yeah, it's
No.
supposed to.
Actually, Oh yeah,
Okay,
wow.
783.
Why did my alert not go off?
To 783. Yeah.
Or is it because?
Because it's pre-market.
Oh, fuck that.
So keep an eye on Tesla.
Okay.
Because it's not like assume that our alerts won't work.
20 minutes in. Yeah, it's fine. I have all this shit up here too, so I can at least get a general view of what's going on. Yeah. One thing that Muertos is he like I don't know if you've seen his setup, but it's like basically just a bunch of 5 minutes or 1 minute charts on everything like that he's looking at that moment.
Nice.
And I guess he trades each one intermittently. So like for right now, you and I are limited to trading like one stock at a time.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
eventually, I'm sure we could set it up like that. I guess we could do it now, but it's like I guess I think it makes more sense to wait on it, right? Because it's like, well, I don't think we're that good yet.
No.
Or maybe we are. I don't know. Fucking hell. We get higher percentages than most of them. So
Yeah, I always wonder how people trade like 2 stocks at once.
yeah, it seems like a mini panic attack each time. Back to this shit.
Can the viewers see?
Huh?
Can the viewers see?
They can now.
Can they hear it?
They can hear it through the microphone, but I can turn on the desktop audio so they can.
Thor! Thanks for the assist.
We've got civilians trapped behind those barricades. Understood. Stay behind me. I will deal with it.
Understood.
Why couldn't they just get? Chris sounds ridiculous. I don't really care about Thor gameplay that much.
Is this every gameplay? Like every character?
I think it's the opening. The game is like hasn't been released yet.
Okay.
It'd be a very cool like co-op game. I was watching one of the Healthy Gamer GG's thing. There was one about IQ. That was interesting. It was talking about like how gamers are just typically smarter. Like it's not that they're like smarter, but they just have like a higher IQ on average, I guess. So that's you. You're a genius. Did you say quaint?
Can't shake the feeling we're playing catch up. There's something else going on here.
Damn it, it's happened pre-market. I don't like that.
I know. I don't either. I'm not feeling this.
Okay, all we have to do now is just look for an H pattern.
Yeah, when it comes back up.
Yeah, because at least on the first try it'll be iffy, but
Wow. Being the Hulk is fascinating. Would you rather be Iron Man or the Hulk?
Iron Man. Because you have gadgets, man. You can make anything.
But I'm pretty sure Bruce has the same thing. Or he can. He just has powers, so he just doesn't fucking bother. God, imagine getting foot smashed by the Hulk.
Yeah, you're dead.
That would kill you. Oh, yeah, they're fucking dead, dude. Apparently he plays Black Widow, too. I'm curious about that.
Not sure, Matt. Seems like the reactor's malfunctioning. I'm getting strange readings on the monitors. Like we're being pulled to a heat signal in the bay.
The Bay. My city. Is the bridge gonna be gone when I get there?
That is going to destroy the system.
Repeat that, Cap. I'm having trouble.
Matt,
They sound so different though.
Yeah,
I like
they said the only voice that's even remotely similar is Tony Stark.
all hands. The Chimera is under attack. Evacuate the civilians.
Continue. Do you read?
Matt, we're being cut off. Matt, while those years ago,
This game better be fucking open.
from one former field agent to another.
Booty.
Honestly, I feel like it was on purpose.
Oh yeah. If they can, they will.
The base of the bridge is secure. Guys, getting these strange seismic readings.
Tony, truck!
Got it.
Hungry? I'll take this.
You know, I was hoping to face you.
Funny, I'm never giving you a second thought. Come and get it!
Just a gun. Ow. Jumping off a bridge with a person. This game is totally doing that on purpose.
Yeah,
Like, it's
yeah,
absolutely deliberate.
yeah. No, it's absolutely deliberate. They can attract any horny boy. They got it. It's fire, bro.
How do I? Is this made by Disney? Because I will totally.
Taking your usual note?
What?
Now come on, come on!
It's like too much. Now I'm just trying to watch the game, but I can't.
Called photographic reflexes.
I want to see the comments.
Always wondered what it would feel like to kill an Avenger.
Keep wondering. So you've stolen your weapons from S.H.I.E.L.D. and your moves from my friends.
And
That means I know just as much about you as you do.
Nope, not a word.
and now.
I feel like they should have said something though. It's fucking funny.
I'm gonna meditate.
That's a good idea. I should too.
Yeah.
It's $500. It's like, is that a game changer for you exactly? Not even a little bit. So don't sweat it. Did you know how to make the money? Do you know what you did to do it? Because listen, as long as you can.
We are unmuted, by the way.
Okay, yeah.
So, yeah, so I was thinking about a great deal about trading
Yeah.
and what's required to do so. And the fact that a really professional trader has no emotions tells a lot about what he values.
That's true.
Because, like, okay, there are a lot of things outside of trading that affects you. Like, okay, if you make a bad trade, the peers around you that you're dealing with, they will be affected by your bad trade too, because we're all part of the same team.
Yeah.
Like, that's one outside factor. There's another one where you just lose money.
It's gone. The error.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I'm asking to change the copyright too.
Yeah, so folks, any external factors that are kicking into making you make a trade, you should do your best to eliminate those. Because it's literally about the trade, nothing else. Like, not even about the money.
It's not even about actually, it is about each specific trade in its time. So you're only as good as your last trade. I think that's pretty true. Like, it doesn't matter if you made shit, if you were the shit during this year, if you made like 20, 100 billion%. If you managed to do that, cool. Can you do it tomorrow? So you are as good, if you consider it in that sense, you are as good as your last trade.
Yeah.
And that means your last trade was good because what? You made 115 or 160 something the first day, and then you made 500 the next day. Was the 500 realized? Absolutely not. It was not. We don't get to keep that money. Why? Because Robinhood's just fucking retarded sometimes. That's out of your control. That is why I say that we should, do certain things a certain way, because that way we can eliminate as many things that are out of our control as physically possible.
Yeah.
Right? Because this causes problems in doing so. But the fact that you were able to make 100% on a move, smart, because I didn't even get to look at the move that you're talking about. So let's take a look at it. You said 900 to 940.
Yeah.
Which means you got in probably...
No, at the very beginning of the day. You see the huge wick at the top?
Mm-hmm. So where did you buy
the second candle.
Yeah, this one?
That.
You sold it... You tried to sell it here.
Yeah.
But, okay, so where did you buy? Here? Right
above 900.
So
the break of 900.
Okay, so you bought when it broke 900, so here...
Yeah, pretty much that candle.
And you wrote this candle.
Yeah.
Impressive. That's really impressive. Because you did that really well. No one else timed that shit properly. Also, no one else has... And I think this is probably a better thing that they don't have the balls. But because this is a risky fucking trade. This shit could have gone against you pretty badly.
Yeah.
So...
No, that's why I wanted to eliminate... Like, I wanted to buy the cheapest one out there. And I knew... I wanted to ride this. And this bottom wick at 840 made that top option, the cheapest option, around $80. And I wanted to buy that at 150. Because, like, 150...
And what did it hit?
900. So, like...
Okay, so if under other circumstances you would have made the trade, right?
Yeah.
Because now it's not about the trade itself. It's not about how much money you made. It's about the trading itself. Did you hit it or not?
Yeah.
And if you did, then you're fine. But can you do that consistently?
It's gapping the gap. I don't like this.
Let's do this.
30 seconds till.
30 seconds till. Can you zoom
So
in?
Tesla's
Can you do 3
gapping
clicks
the gap.
for every daily, by the way? On the watch list charts?
of Zoom.
Yeah, just zoom in by 3 clicks approximately.
Okay.
I need context, otherwise I can't figure out where things are going. Like LMT is definitely up today. I didn't even look at the stock and I know it's up. Just based on this daily shit. Alright, here we go. Let me pick an option. At least prepare. We're doing puts on this, obviously.
Yeah.
Alright, it's small. Wow, he's fucking hit 0. Actually, should I fucking Baba fucking hits?
Yeah,
Let
we
it
should
break.
do our best not to like
Yeah.
keep on bouncing.
Yeah, I know. We do that every time. Alright, there goes fucking 800 already?
Mm-hmm.
It's insane. Okay, let me get these ready. So we're doing the 705. 705, I almost just want to fucking outright buy, dude. Because I know for a fact it's going to hit.
We'll wait for these levels.
Yeah.
Like this.
So
These are about possible. Obviously, this 800 right above that is a bounce level. So
Yeah.
you don't want to get caught. In
oh my
that.
gosh.
Nice.
Alright, I'm closing this. If that's cool
Okay.
with you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hit $1.35.
Perfectly a-okay.
I don't think I'm going to be on the side.
That's fine. Okay, so back at Tesla's at 800 right now.
Mm-hmm.
And
800?
it's right on 800. So here's a good bounce point. Maybe you should not look at this. This
Okay.
is
Okay, let me cancel.
Do it
How do
later.
I delete that order?
that one, yeah.
Is it canceled?
Oh, you sold it. Yeah, that's fine.
Whatever.
Good, you're out.
$58.
All right, go back to
$60.
Tesla.
I am on Tesla. I'm about to be on Tesla. Sorry.
Man,
Hit 510. It dropped. My option price dropped a shit ton.
that shouldn't have. It's still going down.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Wait, your call or
no,
put?
this is a put. It's dropping.
Okay, all right. Are you sure it's a put?
I'm 100%. Look.
P? All right, cool. Now look at your bounce point and be
That's
calm.
crazy. Why did that happen?
Be calm.
Oh, because of IV.
Yeah.
Alright, let me reset these prices. Should I pick a new option?
Look at the
600 is
price
too much.
and where your level's at. So 790. Here's
Yeah.
the bounce point.
Wait, am I doing calls or puts?
You should be doing calls now because it filled the gap fill and now it's going to bounce on this. Yeah. So it's already at 800 from 790.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, are you sure? I don't think it's gonna hold. I don't think it's gonna bounce like long term.
So if we're gonna get in again, it's going to have to be an H because it just filled the total gap fill
Mm-hmm.
just now.
Right. Because the put option the put option lost all its value.
Just lost all of its value.
It was at 600 when I was looking at it. During this entire fall, it fell to 505 somehow.
Okay.
So that's the IV getting crushed out of these.
Right.
So it's obvious because let me see Tesla. Yeah, IV dropped over 30% over the last 2 minutes.
Okay.
So that's why these option prices are holding. Tesla is bouncing off this, but the longevity of this bounce, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean you don't want to hold it. Obviously, you have to play whatever you see.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, UAL was fucking good. Sorry. Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon.
Amazon's kind of coming down right now.
2050.
Yeah. What did I make on it? How does that fucking make any sense? I hate that shit. I only made about $42 on it.
70, 80, huge level will enter heavy below that.
What's this from? What was that on?
Discord.
Do you know which thing on? Oh,
Everyone.
Inputs for scalp 780 huge level. Enter below. Okay. For Tesla, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna prepare that because I like that. See, holy shit, this option dropped to 475.
Yeah, because it's bounced.
Hard. Jesus. Okay, you were right. I think.
So this 820 level is gonna be big.
Mm.
I think this can, if it develops an H here, that's a good.
I have a level set for 812 and it's getting rejected by it right now.
Disney. Yeah, we have other stocks to do, but Disney dropped a lot to this level.
Mm-hmm.
Oof. Oh, Disney is the play, dude.
Okay.
This shit does not move,
But it's moving?
but it's moving.
Dude, Intel apparently is moving really hard. Yeah, it moved up really hard. So Disney, right?
Yeah.
Disney's down already, is down 0.77% right now. Holy shit.
Okay, so
It's literally approaching my level right now.
yeah. So there's a gap fill right below this,
There is.
143 to 141.
Alright, so puts it is.
If it's able to break it, this is a good support.
Yeah. It's losing value, it's bouncing off right now.
Yeah.
Okay, we shouldn't both be looking at it, right? So can you open up Tesla and then watch this with me on here?
Okay. Oh, it broke 820. All right. Cool.
Okay. Tesla mark above 794.
Yeah, the stupid alert didn't trigger.
That's how I feel about my UAL option now.
Okay, now it's a gap fill again on the upside for Tesla,
Okay.
right? Because it.
Oh yeah, no, I see what you're saying.
So.
Can I look at the intraday or the daily for a second? Just see the context of that. Where are we? Oh yeah, maybe. Alert on AMD. Why did I write Amazon? What's SPY at right now? SPY is still holding. AMD's breaking down too. AMD has a gap to fill right here. It's not very much. It's not enough. It's not worth it. Alright, tacky slow, mate. Alright, I'm gonna keep it on Disney because it's breaking out right now.
Alright.
Volume is decent-ish. What do you think? Take it? Not yet, obviously, but in like a minute.
We'll set your price, right? It's 143.50, so it has to go and fill the gap, so below 143. Till what? Till. Damn, this thing's at
142, probably. Yeah. Jesus, fucking tanking. Shit, it just jumped from 130 to 164.
Tesla's at 840.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you were right about that bounce. Jesus.
Yeah.
But 780 was huge, so it makes sense. Good call. Not bad.
No, you're good.
142 it's hitting. It's getting on it.
Okay.
Yeah, this
Remember,
option.
ability to execute is our discipline as well.
You're right. You're
So,
right. Not being a bitch. Not bitching out of stuff. That's
yeah, I mean, risk reward, right? You're only going to risk one contract in 200. That's manageable for
Yeah.
sure. Just set your targets, right? So 143. So how much did this go up just now?
This thing?
Yeah.
$70.
$70. That's pretty good.
So this was a really good move then, because it was
Right.
100. It cost 130 to get in, so almost 100.
Go back to this.
Little bit 80%.
Yeah.
So it was an 80% move.
All
Right
right.
there.
So my level is 142, and it's right on that. Why is? Yeah. It's because that's the beginning of this gap. I mean, that's the fill of this gap, from 2 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to bounce. It's going to
How
do
far-
just like
how
that.
far is that
just
gap?
like Tesla. It's right on it. 142.1.
Do we
142.1
consider
here.
the
That's the
the
gap.
top of the wicks?
This is the gap. Yeah.
So 142.1.
Yeah.
That's
That's
roughly
right
where I
now.
put it. Should I go for it? Not yet. Let's see
No.
the price
Yeah.
level.
So you see a green right here. This is the second candle that you should execute on. The second one with good volume, right?
Okay.
For a call side.
Call side.
Bounce.
Okay. Bounce. So I have to wait now.
Yeah.
So I might have to
Wait
flip,
for the second candle. Yeah.
flip my.
And if it does break this from
Mhm.
142, then it's to 140, and that's your definite bounce. Unless it's just a break.
I think it's just a slight rejection at 140.5, 142 point whatever.
Okay.
but I thought it could go lower. I thought it could hit here.
If it hits 140,
140,
dude,
yeah.
that is where you execute. Or maybe till there. I don't know. Like
I thought till. I was thinking
yeah, you can,
till,
if
and
it
then
breaks
you figure out
this, if
something
it
else.
breaks 142, just even,
Mm-hmm.
then I'd say you go in. But I feel like this is looking like a possible bounce based on this candle.
Tesla's coming back down.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck my life.
At 800. What?
UAL, look at it. I shouldn't have. Why did I work so hard to get rid of it?
That's UNH.
Yes, thank God.
You're good.
Yeah, I think I got it. Okay.
Okay, so
Got
below 142, right? That's our game plan, 142 to 140.
Yeah, I was thinking
But
actually
right now,
this level right here, right?
Mhm.
This is holding. This is where the supports are.
yeah,
So 142.
142 even.
140, 142.3 roughly. Yeah, like right now, where it is right now. So this is where it's consolidating. So if we see the volume break up, we could probably get into this one.
Mhm.
Like right now,
This
like,
is a pivot
good,
point, essentially.
Yeah, so I think I should take it. It hit
It's
202.
142 right now.
So just wait for it to break
Below
142.
142.
Alright. It's at 205 right now by the option.
That's fine.
It's fine.
We need a good volume. We need to be calm, obviously.
Yeah. We're communicating too quickly.
Yeah.
Alright. Ready? Are you ready, kids? This is fine because even though we're late. Alright, hey.
Now, go. Just move it if you can. You're not gonna get filled.
How do I move it? Oh, I just replace it, right?
Yeah, well, press the X on the
On the
limit and then move and then make another one. Yeah.
Thank God it didn't fill me.
Okay.
What do I do? Should I keep trying?
Let's see if it can hold below this. Yeah.
Sure.
Wait for another. Where's Amazon? Wait for 10 seconds. Volume is building up in this, but the buyers are stepping in.
Yeah, see that wicking?
Yeah.
Okay. So I get the price action, but not the execution. That's what your specialty is. Should I just let you be the one who's executing then?
Maybe.
Yeah, switch them.
Okay.
Now I can serve different purposes. I'll watch Tesla here.
What's Tesla? Okay.
I'll watch a few different things.
Actually, look at Amazon.
This is a good one.
Amazon just got alerted.
Okay. It's right
Yeah, but you can't really see.
It's about to hit
2050?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good, actually.
Yeah, it is. That's our level.
What is SPY doing? SPY's dropping.
Okay.
Okay.
Dropping as well.
Okay.
Hard. So it's following, kind of, but not really.
Is this the 1 minute on there? Because that's a green, and also there's a green
This
here
is
on
the 2
Disney.
minutes. This is the 2 minutes.
So this might be a good bounce.
They're all being affected by, I think.
140. All right, so we're a team, right?
Yes.
What do you think about this? And so what do
As
you
far as
see?
bounces, I don't see it bouncing fully too hard up there.
Okay.
Like up on like to 143.5 right here.
Yeah, that's where your target would be.
That's where your target would be
Even
if you were
it's
trying to go
facing
for a
resistance,
bounce, yeah.
right.
But as far as I'm still a little. I mean, here's the thing. I don't have the same volatility mentality as you. So like the way you were like Tesla's gonna reverse.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think that way. I
Yeah.
was like, no, it's probably gonna hold, and
Yeah.
it's because things don't reverse that fast.
No,
but
yeah,
but
it
right
does.
now the market's like fucking crazy volatile.
Yeah.
So, Amazon's breaking 2050 right now.
Okay.
Literally like at this second. 2047. It's falling fucking fast.
Okay. Next support, your support here is 2040. That's a pretty good support.
Okay, then we'll wait till 2040. But I would
Yeah.
I would line up that option then. Yeah, you're gonna have to go far, but it's puts, so you don't have to go that far. So go for like the 200s.
So to 2040, I guess.
Um,
Thinking puts on this?
I'm thinking, cause it filled. there's not really a huge gap here, right?
Yeah, it's going past it now.
Yeah. Could revert. It could bounce up 2050. I don't know. What do you think? Because it's following SPY now
Okay.
for the most part. SPY's got 2 greens on it. Amazon doesn't. It's got 1, but it's probably gonna. Trying to think.
See if I can buy. If buyers step in at 2050.
That's a good place to get off to,
Yeah.
or get on.
Get on. 200, right?
Mm-hmm. Do you think we split the this thing right there and turn it into calls and puts, so we can do both?
Yeah, I feel like.
Then go ahead and just do that real quick.
Okay, so it's above 2050. I'm just going.
Apparently, Apple's selling off right now.
Okay.
Apple apparently is good. Amazon's bouncing.
Yeah.
254. Are you in?
No.
You're waiting for it to break at 255.
Yeah, I should
Not
get in.
just yet. Just give it a second.
Till 260.
Till 260. Yeah. That's gonna be a quick one.
Yeah.
This also feels kind of forced, just a bit.
Okay.
263, by the way, or 2063. If it goes, it'll go to 2063. Because that's where the VWAP is.
Okay. Yeah, I mean we're more call biased on this, so if it just breaks this 2070 mark, like for the next few hours, that'd be a good entry.
Okay.
Apple just bounced.
Apple is bouncing, correct. Everything.
Tesla.
Okay, so this type of volatility isn't that normal. Like for something to go like this
wait,
and then this.
This is Tesla. Went below this just now.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so he said the 280s were a good entry. I think it's 770.
780s were a huge level, yeah.
Okay.
Tesla watch below 780. In for scalp, adding more on a pullback or hold.
Okay, open interest. Yeah.
You got it.
700, 680. Because these are priced.
Yeah, I know. I did that on. I added all those on purpose, so don't change it because I have to add it every time. 2.
About 400. Is that too much or no?
It's a bit much, but I think you can handle it. I think you can handle it. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Can you handle it?
Yeah, actually no. This is pretty. It's better. Open interest. 888. 1,255. Yeah, this one. 200. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. What was that? BA.
I'll take a look. Oh fuck! Yeah, look at it go. That's fine. Don't sweat at this one right now. Is that Tesla bouncing? Jesus Christ, man. Yeah. Okay. Let's create 2 charts now before it's too late to actually
Okay.
do that. So let me do it real quick. Do you want like one side for calls, one side for puts, or do you want it like up and down?
One side for calls, one side for puts. Yeah.
So like calls on the right side or puts on the right side or whatever.
Yeah, calls on the right, puts on the left.
Okay, it's gonna take a lot of space. Actually,
Or what? I mean, what's the other one? Oh, it's like half.
I can either split it.
Oh yeah, let's split it then. Yeah, splitting is fine.
Alright, how do I duplicate this thing? I don't want to take up too much of this screen as the thing. Fun. So basically, at any given time when you're looking at something, you just always get the puts on one and then the calls on the other. I guess what I could do is, instead of this, I could just get rid of this thing and then just put one on here and one on there, but then you
No,
don't get to see it.
You wouldn't get to see it, so
Yeah.
it's not worth it. You can also take away the
The quantity?
yeah, this quantity you can just
Should I do that for both? How do I do it?
Just press the that arrow. Yeah. That's better.
Cool. Just make sure the quantity is 1 every time. All right, cool. So now put the I'm gonna change, I think, this to 3 because it's not as intuitive to scroll down to get your thing on. So changing these to 3s, and what we can do is we can send the calls to 1 and the puts to 2.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah.
Alright, that should be easy. We don't have a way to level it, but yeah. And then, yeah, this is good. I like this.
Amazon. Okay.
Switch back.
Amazon.
So put on both and then do. Ah, my toes.
Nice. Okay, so Amazon hit the 260,
Mm-hmm.
and then now it's going to get, I don't know. This
I would
might
ride it
be a
back to
good
250.
age.
I would ride it back to
Yeah.
250.
Be a good age.
Just outright. I'd say outright just ride it to 250.
Right now?
Yeah, you could. Watch for this level right here, 255. But
Yeah.
after wait, that's really fucking
No.
far. It's a 256 right now. Actually, no, you could. If it breaks down below this, you could. Because it's gonna be the second round, so I think it'll go further than before. But if it's setting up the way that I mentally think it's setting up,
Yeah.
I think you're gonna get one of these just downward.
Okay.
So you're gonna keep seeing this all day.
How's Spy doing? Spy, yeah.
Spy's coming up, so you're good here.
Okay.
You're protect.
Then I'll follow you.
So calls on 1 and puts on 2. So as you're scrolling down, just get the puts first and then get the calls. You know what I mean?
Okay. Send.
So the calls go to 1 and then the puts go to 2. I don't know if there's a hotkey or anything. Like I'll find one because we gotta learn those because I realize it'll change everything.
Nice. This is good.
Yeah, I
These
think
both
so.
have good open interest,
That's good.
and they're both 200 and something.
All right, cool. All right, see, I was wrong here, so it is bouncing off that now. So, but I mean, you weren't supposed to enter until it
Yeah.
breaks this anyway. But that's a good. That doji area is nice.
Yeah, I mean,
Undecided
2060 is
territory.
A level, and
Mhm.
then
2055 too.
this. I don't even know. I'm pretty sure this is just the V lap for breaking the V lap.
Disney got stuck on 142.
Yeah. Nice.
Tesla. Apparently, TOS is being laggy.
It is.
Just a bit. It's not that bad for me.
This is being too.
If you're too big, I think if your orders are too big.
Yeah.
Favorite music.
Okay. 2055. It's on.
It's on that level. So let me just keep scrolling through then. Can you, by the way, save that as some watch list name? So because that's everything. So we can.
Yeah.
I can start moving that over to stuff and just start watching it. Holy fuck me.
What's that?
Dude, Roku.
Down.
A lot.
Okay. Yeah.
Go from 133 to 128.
Yeah. The whole market kind of sold off. Yeah. BA.
Yeah, I guess
Baba.
Roku didn't recover.
Baba is looking good too. I'm gonna share it. Share the watch list.
You don't have to share it right now, but later. Just save it for now.
I don't think you can. It already saves. Or edit.
Oh, it's create.
Create.
Yeah, click create watch list. Oh, never mind. Just fuck it for now. I'll fix it later.
Import. No.
I'll fix it later. Don't worry about it.
I can just share it. You can actually.
Yeah,
just
if
get
you
it
share
right
it, then
now.
we'll have it for good.
Yeah.
No, don't worry. We can share anytime. Worst case, if anything changes, can you fix the computer to your left?
No.
If anything changes, just instead of closing TOS, do Control Alt Delete and just end it through Task Manager.
Okay.
Because it saves the workspace after you're done. So just don't save anything. Wow, you get a lot. Your view here is amazing. Like you can see so much of this stuff.
Disney. You're on Roku.
UNH is just flying. UAL's, fuck, dude. My UAL's gonna hit. I think to this week. I was gonna do this week.
Microsoft.
Here, I'll open it.
Yeah, Microsoft is big.
We're fucking flying around.
Okay.
We should set up a main.
Dude, yeah, Microsoft. That looks like an H, right?
Yeah, it does. How far is that? A gap fill? It is a gap fill.
Yeah.
Not
so
far.
right
To what?
Here.
180.
I mean, we got support right here. I'm gonna make these lines. Right there, and then right here, I guess.
Bottom. Yeah, right there. Lower. Right there. Yeah.
So we said these 40 levels, right?
Yeah.
180, 140, and then.
You'll probably get actually back up again. You'll probably get support on the other ones too. The one above that.
I'm gonna update.
Yeah,
this.
sure. How is this account still margin? It's like not even close to 2,000. Not yours, but this one that I'm on. God damn, bro. My 82 UALs are at $1.24 right now.
Whoa.
I don't even remember what I sold it for. I hate me.
Send to 1. Send to 2.
Yeah,
What
Amazon.
did they hit?
It hit 132.
132.
Something like that.
Damn.
It went up a lot.
$30 more?
I think more. Yeah, but so it would have been $70 total. Which is not bad. Which is what I was trying to sell it for. I was trying to sell it for 1.4, but then Tesla made me fucking panic. So that was bad. I couldn't keep my cool. This is weird. Amazon's acting weird.
Yeah, it's a little bit choppy.
Does he do these twice, or does he just... I don't get how he does it. This is the exact same thing from his other one. He's done 2,700.
Right now? On Tesla?
Yeah.
Yeah, because of Tesla, because it bounced.
Dude, to be honest, if I were him, I would have like taken today off. But I don't think he gives a shit.
No. Oh, this is sexy though.
Charts?
Yeah, this.
Tesla reversal?
These are both some percent, a lot. 7%
Yeah,
on both sides.
he's right actually. He says market choppy's right. Market's really choppy right now.
Yeah.
Which I agree with, it is. I don't like it either. We must be equal geniuses or some shit.
Ooh.
Hmm?
Do you see this?
For what? Baba?
Yeah.
Dude, that's fucking humongous.
That's a double gap.
That's humongous.
It's a huge ass gap.
It has no fucking support. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just outright fucking buy a put and don't look at it again.
Send this one. 2. Okay.
You want to switch to Apple here? Apple and Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon up.
Okay.
Is there any specific stocks from each one that you want to look at? Because then I can just zoom in on those.
Yeah, no,
Instead.
actually, change it back to Amazon. Amazon's a good one.
Apple.
But zoom in on
everything is very volatile. Yeah, here. Amazon. Should I maximize this one?
Sure.
Is there a way I can maximize multiple?
I don't know. Probably not. Because you can just shift through them.
You know what I'm gonna do instead? What am I gonna do? Oh, disgusting. Don't say that. Nothing is disgusting. The world is beautiful.
It's there.
That looks so stupid. For a second, it's just stretched hell out. Don't care about Beyond. Don't care about Qualcomm. Don't care about Nvidia. I do care about Amazon. AMD I do. Facebook. Not really. Google, not really. Boom. There you go. Oh, we don't care about OLED either. Nah, boom. Double boom.
That's way better.
I'm gonna go ahead and save this as a workspace. And then I could probably just get rid of this every now and then. What we can do, actually, each day, the things we want to actually watch, we could just narrow down these charts. So what you have to do is save the original version, so the version that's charted with both of them, and that one onto as that one as well. So, and then anytime specifically you want to look at a certain set of stocks,
Yeah.
you do this. Right? So I can do it on here as well. Wow, there's 4 people on?
Hello. Oh, there are.
Yeah, and we got a like. Yo, what's going on, guys?
Hey,
Yeah, just
guys.
move that over to the left, I guess. So,
How do you
or yeah,
detach
just
this?
pop it up.
Pop out. Nice.
Right there, in front of the
Yeah.
options. Yeah, there you go.
Damn it.
Just make it smaller.
Yeah.
Actually, that right corner, that bottom corner right there.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Okay.
But I would shrink it.
Smaller. Got this yay high.
Yeah. All right. So right now, what are we doing? So I played UAL. I made like 100% off it or something like that. A little bit less.
77%.
77%. It was
Pretty
okay. I was upset about it, but yeah. Okay. So apparently Tesla's on watch now. BA 219 target 218. BA. No, Baba. Sorry, Baba. Watching Apple Tesla looking weak again. H entry, yeah, H entry on Amazon.
Safer below. Okay.
Yeah, 250. All right, are you prepping that? All right, start with the puts and then go to the calls next because it's just easier as far as the pricing goes. Takes less time. There are actually 4 people on. If anyone wants us to look anything, if you're still in the chat, go ahead and ask us, because we'll go through anything. And if you see anything cool, important, we're at 249 right now. Starting to break down fast. 248.5. How far did we see this gap going, or this drop going?
2040. 2040. Right there.
Yeah, apparently there's 4 people on right now.
Awesome.
Who are these people?
Yeah, if you don't mind, just provide your social, so we can find who you are,
Yeah.
and then give you our proper greeting, and thank you for being our viewer. Just joking.
That guy says, "Look at Baba."
Look at Baba. Who is this guy?
Hey, who is that?
Ellie.
Hey, what's up, man?
It is pretty choppy.
Yeah, it is really choppy. So we're trying to figure out what to look at. So there's an H pattern right now on Amazon that's kind of forming up, but like things are kind of holding, up and down and stuff like that. So we're still looking at what is good for either scalping or for longer plays. The UAL is still good. I think it's gonna hit sometime in the next few days. So the options get kind of expensive or like more pricier in that area. Wow, this absolute just bounced off.
Yeah. So now that doesn't fit our picture. It's pretty good volume on it too.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No, it's decent volume.
But it broke at average, but it's not, more than that significantly.
Yeah.
So I need to adjust the title. It's not 100% on UAL. It's 77%, but I still count that as a win. And it was really easy. All I did was at the end of the day, as I looked at how the charting was, Tesla was the same thing. You could have looked at Tesla and gone puts yesterday and made way more. So there's that. So that's good. Okay, is there anything on this list that we should
Disney
just
creeping up? Do you have Disney on here?
I have Disney
Replace AMD with Disney.
on this.
Yeah.
AMD is like fully recovering though, from open.
All right, then what's the profit target here? If it breaks it, right? 50-40?
We could. I don't like trading AMD that much, to be honest. So I'm not worried about it. Disney does look a lot better. Yeah. Okay. So it's breaking out.
And we have to think about the overall. So this drop in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
That was just the market.
Yeah.
But Disney did have earnings, and we have to figure out if that earnings was really good or really. It went stagnant. But if they improve their outlook or anything of that sort, then the general trend for the next few days is going to be probably really good.
Well, yeah. So we have to wait several days for Disney to actually start taking off. I think, and I think that's because market makers are holding it down. Okay. So watch Tesla. Go to Tesla. Yeah, okay. So 780 is a really big level for Tesla, so we're probably going to play the put side here. This is going to be like a very short-term position, like probably, at most like 10 minutes, probably less. So if you want to do it, feel free. I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't necessarily trust anything that I say. All right, did you put the options in? All right. Tesla low of day.
All right.
Almost low of day.
So breaking that, you have two previous good volume candles. So
yeah. So this is good. I'm
this.
showing it. Yeah, I would go ahead and.
What is this? This is 3. There we go. Okay.
Oh, the time and sales wasn't working.
No, it was on an option.
The price of the I figured the price of the option jumped up.
Yeah.
Too much.
No. You deal with that.
All right, let's watch this because we might see a small pullback in this one, but if it holds that, it could be good.
You have 15 seconds, 10 seconds.
Till what?
Till this candle.
Till this candle finishes. Yeah. All right, so this is a pretty strongish area. So. I would say, where am I trying to see this to? I'd say 739. Jesus fucking Christ. It's like too low. Let's say 773.
773 entry.
773 might be a good entry point. Oh fuck, it's already there.
Moved up. 770.
Yeah, give it a second on 770. 780 was a strong level, so 770 a hit. God damn, this thing is moving. 768. All right, finally. All right, it
Alright.
jumped up. So
760.
yeah, I'm watching it.
Okay.
So 766.
760.
Watch whatever that level is that I set.
Yeah.
I would get out right there.
Okay.
I would sell at the ask. I wouldn't push
Did
it.
I pay too much?
I don't know. Did you?
We're at 405. Where's the ask? No, it can't be. Yeah, we're good. 760.
$760 supports might come in. Keep it cool. Asks are coming up 62. It's turning around a little
Okay.
bit.
Should I?
Yeah. Are we down on it?
No.
Well, how much do we make on that?
$10.
$10 for that heart attack? God damn.
Yeah, someone got easily filled at 320.
Oh
Let's-
yeah, because I saw you scroll all the way down. Well, wait, what did it actually hit in the long, like higher ends?
So I bought it for 405.
What did
but
it? Didn't it hit like 430 or 440? I couldn't see.
No,
So.
no. So someone bought it for 420. I sold it for 415.
Mm-hmm.
But I saw this go like in the middle of it.
Yeah,
Someone bought it for 320, and so that was not right. 'Cause
I see. Should I open up that account here so I could trade two?
You could.
So we could at least trade two things at a time?
Yeah, if you see anything.
Yeah, I mean, I guess I don't see any reason not to, right?
Yeah. It wouldn't make. Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense to.
to be limited to one.
Exactly, yeah.
If you have like a legit trade that you need to execute on, and you only have $100, like I did yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is. So we'll save this one for Fridays.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
I'll fucking close this then.
Well, I'm glad we're out, but
I
right
am
now it's
too.
still three. It's still.
I'm
holding the
telling you,
premium.
these options are pricing in very funny.
Yeah, 360 was definitely support.
Yeah, it
I
was.
knew in my mind, I was like, maybe a little further that
I
crept in.
Yeah.
But, like, we saw the buyer pressure.
I saw it on
So,
level
like,
2
we needed
immediately.
to-
Yeah.
We needed to get out.
So I don't want to. I don't like
That's good.
testing that shit though, because it always squeezes you out worse
Yeah.
than before. All right, let me create a note.
Nice, $10. I mean, green is green, but like.
I mean, I bet the change for the day
Yeah.
is pretty good.
Ooh,
What's
another
up?
big red on this. If it breaks 60.
If it breaks 60.
But I actually do see a longer trend for this.
Entering the 760 break, that's the move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
I need to put this in a document or something. I need a new note. Every computer we have is lagging like a fucker right now.
Someone bought it at 420 again.
Really?
It's already back. Yeah.
Well, that's fun. Desktop.
Price target though.
Mm-hmm.
Another $10, so 750. Oh yeah, 750. Buyer stepped in again.
I hope this doesn't push you out.
No, it shouldn't, because we were both logged in at one.
760. Next level for Tesla is 750, and that's going to be a strong one.
Mhm,
So I would
yeah.
get out at 752. That would be the best point to get out.
Mhm.
You need that margin for this one because this one's going to suck. We still have 3 people
I'm
watching.
gonna hit the ask on this one because
I-
I want to get filled.
I don't even play that game. I always hit the ask.
Okay,
So I don't like
is that 760
fucking with them about it.
on 760?
Let it break. All right, I got my thing up. I got it.
Oh, it changed. My number 2 changed
Mhm.
because you logged in, I guess.
Oh shit, you're
so
right.
I need to get back on it, so I'm gonna change it.
That's fucking terrible.
Still on it. We're good.
Cool.
Buyer stepped in.
Alright, that's fine.
Tesla again.
Gotta change everything now.
Yeah, just change the.
Yeah, I
exactly.
did. Because the
You're
top
good, you're good.
calls
Yeah,
are. Yeah, I changed everything to 4, and then I'm gonna change my thing to.
Oh, they
uh,
broke it.
Hey,
Nice.
alright. I felt that.
Nice, nice. Okay, cool. 100. Oh no. Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
fuck.
$70 stop lot stop.
770?
Yeah.
That seems excessive.
So 65.
Yeah, I would definitely say 65. I mean, yeah, you're gonna lose a shit ton if it goes to 770. How much are you in for? Is it 400?
Oh man.
What? Oh, fuck yeah. Are you in calls or puts?
Puts.
Alright. That's good.
We wait.
Yeah, for sure. Purple. Ugh. Probably should have waited a minute, right?
750.
Are we down?
No.
It's holding.
55. It's on it.
Yeah, it's 755.
Touched it.
755 is very strong.
Yeah.
I didn't expect 755. I thought 750 would be it. Close it, maybe?
How much time we have? 30 seconds.
Okay, here we go. It's dumping. 752, okay?
Okay.
Get out then, at the very least.
I hate this send thing. Why is it?
You can shift it and it'll save it there. But you gotta move it.
I'll do it later. Alright. $750.
Get out of it. Get out now. Sell the ask.
Okay. Come on.
Go slightly below. Alright.
Hi.
How much was that?
Not much. Fucking $20, I think.
We're doing a lot of work for...
Yeah, because 500. I mean, here's the... It's $40 difference.
I don't know why, but I find this very entertaining. Good. I mean, there's a...
Someone got filled at 540. Jesus Christ.
What? How much did you buy it for?
I bought it for like 480.
I don't care. Look at it. Just got rejected. That's amazing. Thank
Alright,
God.
Well, 35. Yeah. 35.
77 for the day. That's not bad.
That's okay.
Yeah, this is better than we usually do.
Alright,
So-
well, I don't want... Fuck me.
At
So
Ali.
much stress.
Ali. So yeah, Tesla. Okay, so Tesla. The reason we're so panicky right now is Tesla is extremely volatile right now. So, did you see what he said?
Yeah, I know, this is so funny.
It really.
Thank you for sticking
Thank you for sticking with us. I appreciate that a lot, honestly.
Actually, you can see the screen and how...
Yeah, he can see us like fucking panicking like maniacs.
Alright, so I don't know what that whole cancel... I mean, we need to change that.
What cancel?
You know, where it
It's-
says automatically send order. Yeah, auto send. That's
Oh yeah. You have to
Instead of
check that.
sending that.
Check the other one too. Make sure that one is set.
Yeah.
Auto send. Yeah. God,
That-
yeah, that's a pain in the ass.
stupid.
Jesus.
Yeah, I don't want to... Yeah.
Oh, we got
No,
out at a perfect time.
we're okay.
Okay, so as you can see, we're amazing at fucking price action reading, but our emotions are just like
Yeah.
off the goddamn handle. Holy shit.
Yeah.
So we're normally calmer, but we're not that calm.
Yeah,
we
we're
don't
not
have
that
we
calm.
don't have as much experience as day trading goes. Like, like I can do,
Now, though, if this... Okay, well, let me make a line, though.
Yeah, what's up?
Because, like, here and here, you know, for a general...
Can we
uptrend after
can we
this-
stop trading Tesla? It's giving me like heart attacks.
No, just like... Okay, actually, no, this is a good
Actually,
one.
wait.
Just put in $100 right for this general trend up. It's gonna...
If
'cause,
it
like,
holds it, yeah.
If it holds. If it breaks this trend.
I love that it showed up on my screen. Actually no, there's an interesting point here. I think I know why we didn't make that much on these puts.
Why?
Well, because the IV on Tesla is so hard, it's still crushing all of the calls.
Yeah, I mean,
Because-
this is for this week.
So we're not
It's for
getting
this week,
yeah,
yeah.
exactly. So it's not
Shit,
pricing it in properly. Because there's not enough time on it. One, and because Tesla made a massive move up already. So that's why we're not making as much on these options. Yeah, even where it's like moves are way too wild.
Good. All right. Hell yes, dude. Okay.
I wish we were so good that we could just flip it around and buy the balls.
I think this is a good trend breaker, though. I honestly think that it would go to the View app again, which
Yeah.
is 800, which is $40.
I do like it. I think
I think we should just put 200 in.
just
like-
hold.
Okay, so I mean, yeah.
Let's put
just hold it for
77. Let's just put our profits in for the day and hold that.
No, I mean legit. Like I guess if it
Holding
breaks
holding the
780
holding the Tesla puts. I feel like that's
a call for the day.
a call.
Yeah, a call 780 and then just expected to go to this View app again and just $20.
Oh, and just
Just a
hold.
general hold up, yeah. Cause like okay, if you
It
look
has
at
it
this,
has to
if you
break
look
the
at this,
it has to break your trend right now, which it's
Yeah.
kind of doing.
You know, if you look at, because like this is a big level. Why is it
Yeah.
a big level? Buyers step in, obviously. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, if they can pick up some traction and figure out this and break this general trend.
I think I can agree with.
No, just look at this.
No. I
Like,
understand.
People bought here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then they're going through this.
Mhm.
And then if people are doubling down, it would probably be here where they previously bought. You
Most
know what I
people are
mean?
selling off because they've made it up. Most people are pretty happy with the. That's the thing. You have to understand also when people are kind of content with the move of a stock.
Yeah.
So logic doesn't necessarily apply in the stock market, obviously, but you kind of have to know where people are happy. A lot of people got happy at selling off at nearly 1,000. So it makes the $200 sell off today makes a lot of sense. Because a lot of people are like, I'm happy. I've made a shit ton of money. Because Tesla's moved over 100% in the last week. So people are making 100%, like over 100% on their entire portfolio.
I understand. But
So-
people are here as well. You know?
Those people that are there, I
Probably
imagine,
sold out right
sold
here.
off. I mean, you have to understand what is causing this. And you can figure that out, too, based on the volume.
So should we buy debit puts?
I'm actually kind of I'm kind of bearish now. But and logically, because I've been trying to figure this out for the last few days, and Tesla's
No, I
move.
just think for today, this
Yeah.
would be a good bottom point. Just 750 for the day. I mean,
I mean, I'm not gonna make that decision based on just that. I have to look at these this thing. I think it looks good,
yeah, it's actually half that candle.
but I imagine it'll come back here. It'll stay here.
yeah,
I imagine it'll just stay at 750. So it'll probably come down end of day at this much. Yeah, but you could see it. You could see it there, like right here. This is where everyone sold off on Tesla
yeah,
because they were like, "All right, that's enough."
yeah.
They're not trying to go into another day with this stock. It's not worth it. It's not worth the risk.
Yeah.
And now you know why. This is how you know people are being risk averse. This is what proves it. So that's kind of what I'm seeing now. So I'm thinking that Tesla has an opportunity to probably come back to even 625 at some point in the next few days. Because
Okay.
this move is unsubstantiated.
Actually,
for
no,
sure.
I see your point for sure.
So that's my thing with it.
Okay.
Hey, Ali, you got any? Is his name Ali? I can't see. I'm too far away.
Yeah.
What do you think? You have an analysis on Tesla? Are you even on? He's probably not on. There's no way for me to view this effectively. Gold. In retrospect, my name is too fucking hard to spell.
Yeah.
Nah, it's not that bad. No, there's still 3 people on. I feel like all 3 people are me. I don't know why. Well, to those who are on, hello. But, okay, so you see my fundamental point with Tesla, though, right? So there's no real reason for it to be this much. The news about the Gigafactory in Shanghai, the earnings reports, they proved the move. We saw that from 230 to 330, or 250 to 330.
Yeah.
It was 65, my bad. So 265 to 330, then we saw it again when it hit 400. After that, that's the substantiated point.
Yeah.
But in the last fucking week, the evaluation of Tesla has gone up to 100 billion.
Yeah.
But their revenue is not even fucking close
I
to
know.
that.
That's why this earnings just buy puts.
This coming earnings?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this expected is just insane.
Expected is too much for it to be any number they report. It's just not gonna match up to what people would expect.
Exactly. Also, I'm hating these options on the puts. They're just
No,
like
it was
not
good. Like
fucking going up.
like someone got filled at this 450 level. Like we bought it around. I actually bought it at a really good price, but someone got filled right here.
How many?
One person.
I wouldn't. Don't ever stretch for that shit. That was obviously
Like
because someone was trying to get in on it
Yeah.
when they saw it. So that's the thing. So I've
some unlucky bastard.
I know how to. I think I've learned a little bit about selling, about like how to sell timingly, and it's always like buy on the big red or sell on the big red fucking candle.
Yeah.
Because when you sell there, everyone's like, oh, I need to get in on this put,
Yeah.
and people will pay more.
The thing is, right here is what really did, because like it did go. Someone got really scared and sold it for like
330.
420.
Yeah.
Wow, this said, well, I bought it for 500, right? Or like
You paid 500.
No, I paid 470 for something. I mean,
Okay.
we can check it.
But no. I see your point.
475, 500. Right?
Seven. How much money did we utilize today?
Oh yeah, we need to keep track.
Well, I mean, we're never gonna hit $10,000, but I mean, I'm just saying.
So we made two. So we used $880 today. We
That's like
used
that's
880.
10%. That's not bad on our entire leverage,
Yeah.
which is kind of shitty because like
Yeah.
one of them was really good, but
Yeah. This would have been amazing. I'm just.
I know I agree
Yeah,
with you
it's-
now. I did not expect Tesla to do that, honestly.
It
I was
did
like,
that.
I don't know, the
Like,
chance of that
today.
happening was just too much. But yeah, okay, so that's really important. I think I don't know, market's slowing down. We could open up Josh's
UAL?
thing. UAL
80.25.
below.
Yeah, below.
God fucking bless. I'm out of this bitch. Oh wait,
Okay, so
there's a gap fill. There's a 2% gap fill on this stock.
Is there enough volume to support it? Because like
It's
I don't know about
kind of
UAL.
high actually.
Maybe. Yeah, that actually
Higher than average for sure.
Alright.
UL's not a huge mover, but the
Maybe,
option,
yeah.
the
Yeah.
options price in amazing.
Sure.
So I don't have a problem with this one.
It is a gap fill. Is SPY actually? Yeah, SPY. Look at SPY right now. Look at SPY right now.
It's right there.
Everything is dropping. I think.
The market is selling off, but I don't know why.
Can we look at the market internals? Oh.
Yeah, go to the ADD.
Here is.
Go to the ADD.
Amazon.
Actually, I'll do the ADD. Or you can do the ADD. I think I figured out how to do it. Yeah, Amazon's dumping now. Well, that's with the market. Apple's selling off too. Oh. You know what? I think it's because the market is selling off.
Yeah.
So can you look at
Well,
the ADD? So it's not doing health. So it's not doing well.
Can you look at it? I'm trying to figure out that.
Oh, this thing?
Do you want to play Amazon or are you?
No, not on the SPY thing, because I don't know why SPY is going down.
Okay. Actually, there is good volume on this one. Yeah.
So is SPY. Look at that
Yeah,
shit. That
yeah,
shit fell.
yeah.
That is
2040.
That is so bad. It's actually crazy. What am I trying to look up? ADD. Dollars on ADD.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, so pretty. Wow, ADD has a.
What is the daily on this? Where is it? At the top. Okay.
Okay,
So it's at the
so that's
top.
why. That's why this
So
is
that's
happening.
still good though.
The market, it's saying that
Is
it's
it just
healthy,
gapped up?
but it
Yeah.
makes sense. So okay, so ADD for market health, right?
Yeah.
So right now it's saying
Oh, for you viewers, I guess yeah, I'll put it up. ADD. Yeah, so this is the ADD. It's supposed to represent your market internals, whatever's making the S&P 500. This is representing it. And so ADD literally means advance and decline, and it's showing you the difference of. It's showing you the
it's
difference
the it's
between
the highs and
stocks
it's like the highs and lows for that
ticking
day.
up and the
Yeah.
stocks ticking down. That's this is the difference between those two. The number of stocks doing that. So
So when you see the ticking down,
So when
it
you-
shows you a
yeah.
downward
yeah,
trend.
yeah,
But because of the gap up, that's why we're here, right?
right.
So
So
yesterday,
we're still, I guess, healthy. Actually, yeah, these past 2
healthy
days
healthy
we've been
internals,
healthy.
yeah. Spiny lows. Who is live right now? JPM came out with a probe, but it looks like a sell to the rip.
I see what's going on. It's because I've been pressing this
Mm.
because this is to 1. I'm gonna
Oh,
link
son of
it
a bitch!
to
You have to link it to
9,
no, link it to
'cause you're on
3.
4.
Link it to 3, because 3 is linked to this, and that links.
Oh, yeah,
so
yeah.
whatever you
Oh, yeah,
click
yeah.
changes that.
Alright, cool.
See? Voila.
Better.
The option chain takes so much fucking data. It's crazy. Yeah, the market internals are fine right now. Let me look at yesterday's.
Roku. Oh my God, Roku.
Did Roku keep dumping?
Yeah.
Oh God, yes. That was a good catch then.
Baba. Oh my God.
30,
Damn it.
131.
Damn it.
What? It's fine. Chill.
Because I was setting this level.
131.
Below 219 to 218, this still is a very, very good gap fill. From 218 to 215.
Okay. So the ADD is good. It's pretty accurate then. If we start seeing the ADD dump, then... Oh, you know what? I don't think Umar uses the SPY to check his stocks. I think he just uses the ADD in general.
He said he used it before, so yeah.
Thank you, David, for showing us the ADD. Where would we be without you? Let me open up Disney. Disney Holding, Amazon. Amazon 243.
I look at Baba, man.
Low a day.
This is too easy.
For Baba?
Do you see this?
Oh my gosh.
This is too easy.
Okay, yeah. I would say take a look at that one then. By the way,
we need some good volume here, though. Yeah, what's up?
around 11 or so, when we stop kind of trading these, I think we need to start planning out some more daily things and do like credit spreads and shit like that for the other accounts.
Yeah.
Because that's the only way we can do the small account growth anyway. So we need that. I appreciate Ali's existence. He means a lot to me.
Yeah, that was fun.
I enjoyed your
our whatever.
our
shithole we
treacherous
went through.
journey.
We had someone to
Share it with. I'm having such a hard
What is
time.
this?
950.
Amazon.
It's
240.
950.
2040.
Okay, I'll open it. Oh wait, I'm on it. I've been on it. Oh fuck yeah, hit my level.
Yeah.
I had that alert set. How far?
Apple's dropping a lot.
Yeah, Apple's
Right
Apple's
here.
what's bringing the market down. I'm sure of that. Apple has a tendency to hold us up, and now it's not. So, it's like what? There's $3 trillion caps. Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft. So, however Microsoft's doing is probably irrelevant. Amazon taking support, Apple taking support. Tesla H on 5 minutes. Do you want to do this?
5 minutes though. That's pretty good for 5 minutes.
Are you looking at Tesla?
No, I'm looking at Baba. Should I look at Tesla?
Well, they say on the 5 minute there's an H pattern forming.
All right, it means 750. I feel like it's gonna bounce again though. Unless it doesn't.
750? I don't know if it's gonna hold, honestly.
It's like there was 750. I think the next level is 740. It's now $10 increments.
Yeah.
Actually, 740.
The problem is it's like, oh, 740, then 750, then 70, and it's like it doesn't happen until 755 for a clean.
Yeah.
So you don't get your clean breaks until halfway, and your price targets are only about 5 minutes away, or $5 away. So
All right, let's go back to Tesla then.
you want to look for a break below 750 if this is something you want to do.
I'm gonna go in cheaper, so 200. Not 400.
For Tesla, yeah, please. One for calls, two for puts. Are you actually looking for calls? I don't think we need calls right now. One for red, yeah. I'll get you the. Oh, here she is. I was like, why is this changing? There you go. my level 2 is affected.
Nice.
Okay, after
All right,
this.
well, it already got it lower. Okay, so 750.
Well, we're not entering till 750 if we are entering.
Yeah, exactly.
What's the option at right now? 179? No, that's the call. The put 225.
This is the 5 minute.
It's bouncing right now. Dude, I felt my heart drop when you were in Tesla
Yeah.
at $400 or $500,
Yeah.
and that fucking giant green candle just showed up.
Yeah.
My heart was like, oh, shit. That was some
This
garbage.
stupid wick.
Yo, for
Anyway.
real, that stupid fucking wick killed us.
Yeah.
All right, they're bouncing right now. Tesla's just doing the opposite of what everyone is expecting right now.
I'm telling you, this might be a good bounce, like for an inverse head and shoulders. Who knows? But now this trend is solid. Or is it? Not really. So many lines here. I don't like it.
All right, I think we're
Premium is just going up. 'Cause
What is?
people are anticipating it. Okay, 750, right? Sonnet.
Level 2, 749. Ah, my fucking foot. I'm in pain. How's the volume? Is it good? It's not that great.
It's decent. It's average.
It's average, so it's not that good.
How much time though? 30 seconds till.
So,
Okay.
what time is it? 7:36. Yeah, I think we're good.
The average is actually, the volume is actually pulling up. So I think buyers may step in here.
But it's at the end of the candle time. isn't
Yeah.
it?
No,
Oh
yeah,
no,
it's
no, you're
stepping
right.
up.
You're right. It's building. It's building. Okay.
Yeah.
But the green is coming in.
Yeah,
That's
the green is
problem.
coming in right
so
now.
we want the sellers to step in, but they're not.
Yeah,
so.
no, this is really good volume comparatively.
That's actually a good call play.
Whoa, this is a good call play. Ah, we have a call here. What do you know?
Interesting.
So 760 if this continues. I'd say enter.
What a turnaround. Yeah, but 755. You see what's going on right now? It's literally getting squeezed by these two tight levels. 750 and 755 are too strong. And so it's getting pushed in both directions by it.
All right.
I wouldn't force this one.
So above 760 though.
So above 760 I could say it, but not right now. You were too eager to get into a trade.
No, I mean like let's go above 760. I wasn't gonna enter below that.
Okay. See that? It is actually acting within that channel. That really small, tight channel.
Yeah.
Dude,
Ooh,
they won't. They're not giving up 750.
747.
Woof! There it is.
Should I execute now?
No, because they're getting a slight pullback on the wick. I'm trying to think. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think we should execute on it?
No.
I'm not liking
I don't
this.
like this.
I feel okay. We've actually
So
done.
every time.
I'm gonna be honest.
I mean, this is good.
Because we rode it a
These
little
are
bit
good.
each time,
Yeah.
and none of them have been good.
Yeah.
So maybe
Just do the
let's
opposite.
not see what I'm fucking.
Dude, yeah. Dude.
Yeah, I'm so glad we didn't get fucking in. Jesus. No, I'm
This
saying.
thing went from 250. Who panic sold? All right, who got filled? Where's the price?
7.
Okay, no, it's still okay.
Someone got.
Why?
Someone
Why
panicked
is
sold.
it still okay? It should be crushed. It's still getting higher, dude.
Yeah. Okay. Just fuck. Okay. Yeah. This is okay. So fuck these options. What was that?
Oh, it's a speaker.
Oh. You wanna grab it?
No, I shut
I have so many. Yo, if anyone wants to buy some speakers, you can have them for like $10. I'll send them to you. Pay the shipping and you're good. Ugh. They're like Yamahas or something. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop fucking with Tesla. Okay, can we please stop fucking with the Tesla put options, honestly?
Alright, let's go back to Baba. Baba is pretty easy. Ooh.
There's 4 people in the chat still. Man, I love this. I love y'all. First, you guys who are in it right now. I love you guys. You guys are cool. Thanks for joining the party. We're here to learn.
We're gonna
just like
tattoo your names on our body.
Yes. There was. If any of you guys use Reddit, there was a guy. There was a guy on. I really want to just fucking find it. There was a guy on WSB, which is Wall Street Bets, and they said there's no way that Tesla will hit 900 in the next month or whatever.
Yeah.
It's like, if it does, I'll tattoo Daddy Musk on my neck. And then it hit it like literally immediately. So
Everyone's expecting.
so everyone is like permaban this fuck. So we have to permaban him. Sorry. Anyway. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop fucking with Tesla, please, for the love of God. Just leave me alone. Wait a minute.
Nah, man.
Dude.
So if we're not gonna
I don't
do a
say
day trade
no,
on it,
listen.
then let's
Just
set up
listen
the
to
long
me
term.
for a second.
Go.
I think
Stupid
I
bitch.
think
Okay, go on.
I have a very good feeling that if this
feeling.
if fuck
kidding.
you, if Tesla can come up to 765 within the next 5 minutes, which is unlikely but possible, or at least at 760 around that level, I think that you're gonna get a really good call play now, and I think you can take it all the way to 800.
I like what you're saying.
You just want to get in calls.
Amazon's breaking down.
Amazon is dumping right now.
Baba
2036.
is maybe flagging. I don't know. It's consolidating right now.
Forget Baba. Actually,
Thing is,
can you
these are pretty
can you
cheap.
demonstrate what I was looking at in that?
Actually, let me set an alert first. Baba.
Boo boo.
It says, yeah, this 50 level.
If any of you guys are seeing anything that you guys want us to like look into, we're not idiots actually, despite the fact that we sound like fucking morons. So we can probably help.
This
with
is what you're
anything.
talking about, right? But if it breaks 60, I
Look at
feel
that.
it's
Watch that.
strong.
Watch it on the 15. It looks better on the 15. Boy, why do you keep using? Why do you keep changing it on my 5s? The 15 gives you the.
Fives are good.
15s are
shitty.
Shut up. 15s are the best. Okay, so if this, you see this huge wicking right here?
Yeah.
If it can close up to this line right here, approximately around there, which is half of the candle,
Okay.
you could actually see a really good, you could really see a good call play because it's not breaking down below 750.
Yeah, it's really ranging.
So if you look at it on the 15 also, this is like the first half of a volatile turnaround, because we're getting like, here, give me the mouse for a second. So this right here is a volatile part in the 1 minute, and this was here a volatile part on the 1 minute also, but in the long term it's still just a straight shot down, which means we could actually see it taking support at 750 where it completely turns around. It might not happen on this candle because we only have about 3.5 minutes left, or 2.5 minutes left.
Baba broke.
All right, I'll open it here. Don't sweat it. I can trade this one.
I just touched it.
It looks like it's just, you have to put it slightly below.
Yeah, no, I did. So we could prepare for it.
I'll keep it up on mine.
Okay. Wait, that's too low.
1740 is too low.
Yeah, above that 50 level.
I fucked it up. My bad.
Yeah, but because it's around 75 right now.
I understand. Yeah. I like it, but the volume
Actually,
is
the
very
volume
low.
is picking up. I know.
I mean, don't. It's not picking up just yet. Watch for it to get 2 above average.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
And then watch the third one
if
build.
The volume increases.
Yeah.
And this also, but the candle price action isn't falling. The volume increases with this. That'd be good.
What's Tesla at? Your mother just texted me that you have class at 8:30 or 8 o'clock.
No, I just said I was leaving. Can you pass me your phone?
No, she said it to me, not to you.
Yeah, but she probably sent me something.
She didn't say anything.
Okay. It's odd.
She doesn't love you.
She loves you. She loves you.
No, that was because I called her last night because I was trying to call you. I'm the chosen one.
All right. What now?
I'm just waiting.
Tesla, Amazon.
I mean, the market's
Tesla,
slowing down, and-
Apple, AMD, Roku, AMD.
Bruh. Roku.
Okay.
Everyone's watching. See what you do. I need to start watching Josh's videos again because he gives a market analysis, and I need to start looking into that because like Tesla has got everybody distracted about like what actually matters. Yes, Is it still? Oh my god, that's dope as shit.
What?
Tesla, go to Tesla.
Too excited with that.
I know, because I'm awesome. Okay, Tesla started pushing up on the 1 minute, so I think it could close at 260 if it hurries the fuck up. I am so smart.
Hey, if I had your same reaction with this, you would hate me.
Well, we're not in it.
All right,
so-
60, it's on.
It's on it, so now call side's looking good.
Are we? No, we're not even prepared.
Well, right, I didn't set a price, did I?
Actually, did you want to trade it on here?
I was thinking that it was going to be a good trade. I didn't
Do
know.
you actually want to then?
I think a longer trade. So you'd have to put in like $100.
Yeah, I think
set it for like 80 or set it for like super fucking far out and just hold.
Okay.
I think it could work.
All right.
But the reversal isn't satisfied yet because you need this candle.
Trend break.
This new we were trying to break a trend. So you have to wait for this candle to break above it. Above that line. Above this essentially. I need it to go above this candle right here. The latest red one, it needs to beat it.
Okay.
Otherwise we're not getting a reversal.
Yeah. So above 770.
Above actually 775 I think. But
Yeah.
because the top of the wick is what scares me. But the top of the wick is really fucking high, isn't it? It's because it's not the price level. You have to shift it off to the right. Well, on the 15, I do the line, or I do the price level. Okay, nice.
All right. So
That was a good fucking call out. Also good, yeah. I mean, good job on the Tesla thing. Okay, I'll give it to you. You're
no, I'm just saying my reaction wasn't like that.
I don't day trade as often as you.
All right. These are so terribly priced.
All the options.
No, because you look at this. This is 30, and then this is.
Oh yeah, I know. It's that's the IV just getting it like fucked
No,
up.
this is like literally the bid and ask. Actually, if I could get filled on this, that would be amazing.
Do you wanna?
For if I can get
Yeah,
it
but
for like
if you
40
get, but if you
bucks.
get filled and then you can't sell it, I would try. I don't know. It's $40. Give away half our profits for the day. What do I care?
So these are actually. All right, open interest then. Yeah, I could trust that. This is 500. This is about $100.
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually gonna see the history for this. I'm gonna send it on.
Not to anyone. Don't send it to any particular. Just send it to Quick Chart. Up one. Yeah. Now open up the sidebar. No. Don't you don't have to do anything like that.
Okay.
Just click the arrow. Scroll down. There you go.
All right. So.
Oh yeah, having a quick chart for red is dope. We'll do the 1 minute. Don't do the daily.
I'm just looking at the general. Today is Wednesday. So.
Jen, eh?
What the fuck? That's not right.
Who-
Okay, so
it probably
$1
is. Someone got
no,
filled.
someone
up
got filled, but that's not
Poor
the
guy.
average price, right? So about 100 for today. It was at 40.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's 100%.
So you wanna
100.
try to do it?
Oh, 50. No, I'm just seeing if this is a legit
Option?
Yeah, so it is. It is.
I don't imagine
This is
that most of them aren't.
No, I mean like the price isn't wacky. Like people aren't. This is so. It,
Just
like,
specifically that
yeah,
one is getting.
yeah.
Well,
it has good
the
open
ask
interest.
is too crazy.
Like it has good open interest to make this an averaged out. Because you see this, right? Someone got filled. We don't. If we like, for example, this thing with 108 open interest.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna bet that we're gonna see a lot of more of these wicks. Yeah, like this is from 150 to 50. It's not really averaged out,
Mm-hmm.
and people aren't buying it. You see the time difference.
Mm-hmm.
So we do want open interest and an averaged out sort of option,
Which we're not getting.
which we are getting with 500.
Okay. Yeah, but that's because it's the 500 mark. Also,
Yeah,
because we use even strikes for hedging. So like companies that hedge their positions,
Yeah.
anyone who's in Tesla right now and is holding like puts, they're holding 500 puts at that price, which is why they're which is why they're priced like that. So, right. So that's an important thing. It's like the way puts are right skewed while calls aren't,
Yeah,
and the reason is because of the fact that
people hedge
yeah,
for
exactly.
a downside.
Hedges make up the majority of options. And then there's people that
That's
like
why if you can play puts, it's way better to do that than
you make
calls,
more money off puts
just cause
in theory.
yeah, and it actually shows in the
Because the
fact
volume
that
is naturally higher.
while we were day trading, you saw it ticking up even though the greens. Like
Yeah. Puts
green
are
candles.
protection. They're the purpose of them.
Yeah,
is
so
protection.
people will pay more. For
No
that.
one really protects a short position. It doesn't make sense
Yeah.
because you have to cover it. So
Yeah.
they don't do that often. They can, but they don't. Glad we're not in yet. Market's slowing down.
You're gonna die.
I'm not gonna die. I'm thinking. Can you open up Josh's video? Let's start watching his most recent one. I want to get a view on the more recent. 2 likes. Holy shit, we're growing, guys.
Oh my god.
None of those are me, dude. Y'all,
Nice.
I fucking love you guys. The ones who are here right now. I know these videos are way too long, so I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and like my own video because I gotta help myself grow.
There's a big government scandal going on.
So
Fuck you.
The government is actually
Government scandal.
huge government scandal, killing the government.
This is the WHO.
Yeah. Well, we have 4. What the fuck?
4 likes.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Like,
It's
go
all
to
Josh, dude.
Josh.
Josh, thank you.
Thank you, Josh. Well,
Just kidding.
all right. This is
Yeah,
just
if you
it's
guys
the
can speak in the chat, we'd love to talk to you.
yeah for real. I mean, it makes it less like we're stupid. So no, but okay. What we're gonna do? I don't want to. Okay, there's no point in watching this one because this is just the WHO affecting the market. Go to his most recently posted video about like how he expected the market to move. We'll watch about that one, and we'll like analyze and break it down and shit.
All right.
Because I feel like that's gonna be useful. Can you actually also start recording it now? So, yeah, just click start recording so we can at least upload this as a separate thing. So you guys, those of you who don't want to watch this now or want to watch it later, I'll upload this specific part like today. What was that? Oh, fast. Fuck that. Nothing happened, by the way. So I'll upload this as a separate video where we kind of do a stock market explain video so we understand what's going on. So this is kind of impromptu, but whatever. Also, we're recording the explanation to the live people, and it's going to show up in the next thing. So that's fun. I need an intro. I'm going to make an intro. Not now, but later. That's cheating.
Can they hear it, or are they hearing it?
Oh, no. They're hearing it for the mic, so let me actually fix that.
Yeah.
So you're going to have to pause it every time you talk, by the way.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
I'm going to actually do up all the decibels.
Can make this stock market go crazy from here. Quite simply, it is going
Hello.
to be oil and its
cool.
relation to China. And I'm going to show you guys a few charts. I have some stuff outlined, some big yearly correlations and divergences that you guys could look for. And then the next thing is
Just
going
explain-
to be the Iowa
I'll be right back,
caucus
but,
stuff. You're
just
probably
explain
hearing
whatever
about
it is
right
that
now.
he's
There's
saying
a little bit of
in, like,
updates.
shorter
It's
words
like
if you
half the
can.
poll results,
Also turn it
but
up 'cause I
this
can't fucking
has
hear it.
some effect on the markets. Now, there is also the coronavirus, but as we've talked about now, we could start to see the impact of the coronavirus simply through is the economy at a standstill or not, and that's why oil is going to be very important here. So I want to go over really what to look forward here riding this wave. We broke out today. We had a huge gap up, and we were still at that Wuhan zone, still right there. We came up a little bit, but it's still showing that we have the concern. China has deployed more stimulus, and right now, even by the time you watch this video, China future.
So by Wuhan zone, it's like, when the news came out, the market gapped down, and it started going, pretty much reacting at whatever news that it could get its hands on. And so this was, I think, the day that the WHO declared the virus as a national emergency, and so the market reacted like that. But now I think we are at 332, so it definitely gapped up above, and this is all-time highs. This is near all-time highs. Yeah.
Futures have been banned for this week, so they're not doing that again. They've halted borrowing, which means they're not allowed to short. They threw more liquidity. All of that happened today. Markets liked it. China went up, but it's simply saying, how do we move forward here? So there's pretty much 2 scenarios in 2 cases that I'm going to go over. So I have that. I have earnings plays for you that we need to go over. We saw Snapchat report. You guys also got to see Disney, and then we have to talk a little bit about Tesla. Shout out Andrew Moon, baby.
Yo, Tesla's doing it. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it. It's not there yet. It needs to break above it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I do. I see
We're
what you're-
nearing it.
I'm
let's
gonna get him on a video to explain, but he made $300,000 on some call options. So a little bit of the power of options, baby. Let's go. So we got that. We got the keys and some other plays. We're gonna
That
be
felt
looking at, but
weirdly
let's
edited,
get into
yeah.
it. But before we do that, make sure you drop your thumbs up on the video. Make sure you subscribe. The power of options, baby. Let's go. So we got that. We got the keys and some.
Yeah, that
other
was
plays.
definitely
We're gonna
edited.
be-
BA
You
alert.
don't know we are live Monday through Friday,
All
30
right,
minutes
fuck
before
you.
open. It's the first
look at
link in the description and it's
Oh my
pinned in the
fuck.
comments.
Happened?
Go.
Hey,
That's
pause,
not
pause,
spy.
pause.
All right. Are we still recording? Should I stop recording? Here, no, we got it for you guys.
So
For you future viewers, this is happening. This is probably news.
I don't know why.
Shit.
Stock's holding up. Let me check news. Why are you fucking reacting? Chill.
Fuck. All right,
Stop.
So, for all you kid-friendly viewers out here, I just
Cursed like a
Got it.
mother. What the fuck? What did you say?
said nut. All right. So here's the live news.
Someone give me fucking news. A passenger on the Boeing 37 plane gets off the runway at Istanbul's airport. This happened at 9:48, so it just happened. Like a little bit ago. Wait, what?
9:08. We got. Yeah, this is definitely not updated news.
Yeah, but the 9:48 might be. There's a
BA Big Red Candles checking news.
I'm checking it first. You're slow, Josh. We're beating you today.
Our alerts.
Gets off the runway. I can't fucking move it there, otherwise I would. Wait, you're speaking Turkish. I could
Yeah.
probably translate a little bit of this. People getting off. Hey, play from there. Oh.
Abi demek kaymış. Kaygan. Bir de oraya pis
Oradan
yetmiyor abi.
pisten ağrı, şuradan uçmuşlar, şuradan ağrı.
So it
Bak,
came in
orada
from
millet
over
oradan
there.
öyle uçmuş.
Bir de buranın pisliklisi abi. Pis abi.
This is like half a plane.
This is half a plane. People are getting off it now.
Yeah. So, did it crash again? Or what?
It gets off the runway.
Atladım ben oradan. Ne atladığını gördüm ya. Sana daha diyorum uçağa gelsen görmüyor musun uçağa? Ben uyuyordum ya. Uyuyor. Dünyadan haberi yok ki onun.
Okay, so that guy's on his phone explaining the situation. That's about it. That's cool though.
This is real life news, and we're making money. We're terrible
The
people.
one time my Turkish does not come in handy because I didn't gain any inside information, and all I
another
knew was
thing
he was
is
like
that
the runway.
They got a price target raise though recently today this morning.
They did.
Also, this is a gap fill.
Well, that's why it's like broken up. Oh yeah, it is a gap fill.
Everything.
All right, let's go back to the analysis because I don't. I'm watching it here. So if it does end up breaking into it, I'll be here.
Okay.
I see that level. I have it up. I'll have a put option ready. Go back to the video.
Free 99. It costs you nothing. All it costs is being positive. Even VWAP technicals, reading financial statement. I mean, there's a lot. Just so please don't. They go hand in hand. But let us not waste any more time. Right off the bat, here are your
All right,
keys, and
keys.
here is what we need to.
for the play.
Iowa impact comes from shift in who actually can win in the race.
Oh
So,
yeah, that's
If a
important. That is
Republican
important.
wins, we will fucking fly.
So well, the
But
Iowa is currly
it's
only the
choosing
Democrats.
Democrat.
Democrats.
Yeah.
So the people that
so
are
it's either
Michael
Buttigieg-
Bloomberg.
Okay.
There's a
Buttigieg and Sanders so far.
plane crash. It's 20 minutes old. Slow to the party, Joshua. Okay. Anyway, so there's.
He says he'll play it.
He says he doesn't think he'll play it, unless I'm deaf,
No, he says
and we're both deaf.
he thinks he will play it.
You're deaf.
Also, he's not speaking. All right.
Explain.
Yeah. Explain Iowa.
Okay, so Iowa. So the people that we have to keep in mind is Buttigieg. Is that how you say his name? I never know his
I
name.
don't know.
Budachechnya.
It's been Budakek, right?
I don't know. I don't listen. Yeah, BA just bounced off that.
Go on.
So it's Budakek, it's Michael Bloomberg, Joe Biden, and Bernie Sanders.
Okay.
So Michael Bloomberg there are people who are interested in the idea of Michael Bloomberg. I have a weird, you know what's weird? I had no idea that Mike Bloomberg was a Democrat.
Nah.
Because he literally created the Bloomberg terminal. Like, he's the financialist guy in the finance world.
Yeah, this
Why the
fool is
He's like, there's
he's
no way
not-
he's a fucking Democrat.
Even though he is, he's probably pulling a Trump.
Well, isn't he from New York?
Because Trump said he was a Democrat initially.
Trump was a Democrat
as-
for a very long time.
Yeah.
But then
So
there was a
same
claim.
idea.
There was a claim, and this is interesting. Even my dad said this. My dad said if he would ever run for office, he would run as a Republican, because he would get significantly more votes. Like, he would get a lot of Democratic votes just generally, but he would also get a lot more Republican. But also, we're a little conservative, so maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Shut up.
All right, go on.
You're a bitch. You're a Democrat.
So
Anyway,
good analysis so far.
Yeah, okay, sorry, we're getting distracted. So this is important because it kind of, so there was an idea of the whole billionaire versus billionaire thing going on. Apparently there was like a troll where it's like a lot of people, someone asked Mike Bloomberg, it's like, there are a lot of people who are interested in the billionaire battle in the presidency, and he's like, who's the other billionaire? That's funny. But no, so a lot of people want Bernie Sanders to win, but there's a line being like driven, which is that Bernie Sanders and Joe Biden are not the same type of Democrat. Like, there's far leftist, and then there's middle leftist, which is like moderate, like older leftist actually. So it's like less progressive in general. Okay. So that's a concern as far as everyone is getting on. It's very a big deal because Iowa is apparently like a shit show right now. So
yeah, it's because they didn't, the app that all the votes went
it
through,
failed.
It wasn't secured. It wasn't like there was no security by
There's like no encryption.
And so now they're recounting the votes and they're doing all that stuff again because they suspect some tampering.
Yeah, I remember. That makes sense. Okay, so that's fun. That definitely affected some stuff though. Man, the whole market's just kind of down today.
Okay, next one is oil staying below 50 and further divergence with China.
So,
China's getting fucked up still, I think, maybe?
Yeah, from the coronavirus?
Let's actually check
because it's not resolved yet.
The Shanghai Composite.
Yeah, go for it.
So last time we checked, it was down like 7%. Now it's up 1%.
So it's still holding down. We're gonna have to wait until it crosses the 5% drop point. So 2,800 and above. So 2,900 is where we.
About 29, 3,000.
So 28.7 is probably where we'd probably see that they start doing well and our relationship with them can form again. Mm-hmm. But this whole situation is just not like great overall. So the stocks are still coming down. Can you check NVAC? Just on Google. You don't have to go to TD.
NVAC?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah, that's the one. No, sorry. NVAX. If I remember. Yeah, that's the one. Novavax. I hate that name. They skyrocketed because of their work with the Wuhan coronavirus, but now I don't think they're holding up. They didn't hold up at all. No. So that's interesting.
Yeah, because there are like 4 other companies that came out with the same message.
Is Regeneron working on it too?
No,
they're not.
I think they're way too big to actually report something.
Do you remember at the conference in New York?
Yeah.
CEO was there.
Yeah.
Just chilling. I think we gave him the
Quite
project
simply,
at the time.
Yeah,
all right, go.
Earnings still in play this week is soft.
Oh right, okay. So the priority now is several things. It's Disney, so Tesla, Disney. Tesla had a lot of the market attention for the last few days. Mm-hmm. So that's one.
Yeah.
Stock twins.
So for this week, we got 3 days left.
Uh-huh.
Disney just reported. Some others are
reporting. Yeah. You can check.
Earnings calendar. They would load.
You can press the middle button. That's how you do a click. So Spotify. Does it give us the expected move? Fuck yes. The surprise is what we want. I just realized. I think I'm still in my Snapchats.
Oh yeah, you are.
No, I lost everything.
So,
All $11.
Where does it show the calendar though of the big one?
Oh, the pictures. Those are like images. He gets them up. Yeah, it's on Twitter.
Oh, okay. Anyway.
But I mean, you get the point. Let's just go through this.
Yeah, there's a lot of earnings still.
Yeah, we're into earnings.
I'm going to start with there because it's going to be kind of the most straightforward one.
Get ready for gaps or quick return to stability.
That's what we're seeing right now.
Yeah.
We're not stable as of this moment. Right now, we're extremely volatile. So that volatility is happening as a result of a very confusing feeling between many things. So the coronavirus, the earnings rates, and stuff like that.
You know what you could do, because any way to play a gap is play a straddle on both sides.
Yeah.
We could do that with SPY. Like if we're anticipating a gap tomorrow too.
You just do credit spreads against caps. That'd be easiest.
No, because then you'd lose on one.
No, not strangles, but just a single credit spread if you can figure out the direction.
Oh yeah, if you can figure out direction. Yeah, we don't know.
Or condors. Condors would
right
actually be the
now-
best right now.
Yeah.
Condors on SPY I think are good, but the volatility is a lot. So if it's not stuck, I don't know. Let's keep listening and see what's up.
Yeah,
Iowa
what is he
impact
saying,
comes
though?
from the shift in who could actually win now and what's going to happen. But Buttigieg, I don't know how to say his name. They're saying he's winning now,
He's
but
like
Bernie
me.
Sanders won the popular vote with it. But again, what does this even mean if you're not really familiar with politics, or how could this impact the market? All this Iowa caucus, it's just important because of people like Bernie or
Iowa is
Elizabeth
the
Warren, or
deciding-
people who weren't really expecting.
We can't talk over each other, but Iowa is the deciding state too. So there are a lot of swing states that exist around this time. So Iowa tends to be the decider. So Iowa will decide it, and if it goes well, then the other states tend to swing in the same direction. So that's why people push for Iowa all the goddamn
expected
time.
to win, do good, and it shows that their poll numbers are increasing. It gives them a boost coming into this final stretch of the election, which, believe it or not, it's going to be approaching here shortly. So it's just like going off of the stats. It just makes them look, more in contention with the race. And usually whoever has momentum from here, they're able to go. But at the end of the day, some of the candidates who are really surprising, if they don't get this boost, it kind of hurts them in a way. But now for us, and even again, this could make the markets respond, because if certain people do win, like Bernie Sanders, like we discussed, he could have impacts on healthcare and stocks and certain things with, again, how they feel about taxes and all that. And then if the polls are saying people think they're going to win, again, even people thought the market was going to crash with Trump, and he dropped the futures when he got elected. So it's still the early stages. But again, I'm sure the election is going to come up later this year. But watch what happens there. Again, any surprises or an impact that shoots off with this could be important. But again, the next thing here now is going to be oil, and that is oil staying below $50. And now more further divergence with China. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. And this is what is going to be really important moving forward here, just even with the market. Again, is this a dead cat bounce? What's going to happen with China? Again, we've talked about riding the waves and, certain dates. Again, February 10th, or even after the first week or two of what they're doing here, I want to analyze what's really happening. But one thing here that I'm going to show you can really determine all of that, and it's how the Chinese stocks are valued, but then also with what we see with oil. But this is the divergence I'm talking about and looking for. So this one right here is the China A shares, which is pretty much the Shanghai composite overlay with the SPY. But you'll notice this was that big China crash, which again, this is one of the biggest drops that we saw here, was the biggest drop since this happened. But their stock market burst. Again, you see how the market's aligned with it. The SPY goes up, A shares goes up. Then this is the first divergence, 2018, 2019. What starts to happen? Shanghai starts dropping and plummeting again. The Shanghai composite plummets, and then you see, even though our stocks diverge, it comes down. So that could be a longer divergence, and it took time. But then we're kind of seeing the same thing here. Even on the shorter scale now, this is what I'm talking about. You see our stocks are bouncing up, and so did China. But what we need to see is how long does it take for there to be a divergence. But that's one thing to look at. But more importantly now is oil. It looks almost exactly the same, but you saw the impact first between oil in China versus China and the S&P. So this is why oil is going to be very, very important from here. And that's oil right now at 49.50. But you'll notice anytime China's stocks start to drop, again, as the Chinese economy was roaring and then dropping here, you start to see what happens with oil. But again, as China slowly starts going up and doing good, what do you notice? You see the same climb with oil. It's more correlated between oil and China than the SPY, where it was a lot bigger. But then again, China starts to drop. Oil did do good for a little bit, and there was a divergence. So that, again, 2018 was pretty unique there. But you see it come hard, but it comes down again, does the same thing, but now you're seeing it come down harder, and that's because you're seeing China come down harder more. So this is what I'm going to be looking for, because if the demand for oil keeps dropping, and we see this pretty much, I want to see how long it's going to take for this divergence to get bigger. If it gets bigger, that's going to set us up for a big move down. This is what you want to see, is where they diverge. But again, now what could also happen, everything's kind of moving the same. Even though they're diverged now, what we're waiting for is one index or one commodity to move faster than the other, because if they go up and then one goes up and then one goes down, the other one goes down, it's not going to create that divergence. But that is what I'm watching for. And like we said, China doesn't do good. It lowers the demand for oil. That brings it down. But all of this is connected. So watch that. And that's what I'm looking for. Especially, I just want to see what happens with the Shanghai Composite. When does the support not help it go up? Or now, do we see the S&P outpace the Shanghai Composite? And that would mean there would probably be an event that would...
All right.
Yeah.
I saw this at 60 yesterday.
Mhm.
See, I tried to buy it at 62.
Yeah.
These things.
Oh, so it went up 100%, right?
Yeah.
What's that account actually valued at?
Oh, dude, we're up 200 today. No, it's
Incredible.
15,000.
Take longer than that 10-day window or 14-day window, which definitely could happen here. So if the market gets support with China, even after that 10 to 14 days, that's why I said that's the day we have to analyze it. So that's what I'm going to be watching out for here moving forward, and those are the main things that I think are going to move everything.
Bro?
And then
It's
finally,
so
earnings are still
I
going
hate
to
trading.
be
I hate
but
Robinhood,
this
man.
week is soft. Like
And
you
day
said, this
trading.
isn't going to be as large of a week, but next week is going to be big.
And it
So
worked
get
well,
ready.
I don't
There's
know.
going to be a lot of companies. However, earnings has still showed pretty strong so far in the midst of everything. There is some importance. It's creating divergences. And again, watch what that's doing to option premiums. It's making this a very interesting time in the sense that some options are going to be overpriced and some are going to be extremely cheap because of what is happening with this volatility mixed with the earnings premium. But again, with what we're saying, with what we're talking about here, get ready for gaps or a quick return to stability. And what I mean by gaps is you could even see it here, in August. It's where we start to get volatility. The market wants, has every reason to bounce up and repos and all that. There's a support from the China, but every time an event hits, it starts to bounce up and down versus kind of you hit a drop and then this quick return to stability or even something like that. So
Okay,
what's going to
so
happen
what is he
here, and
what is
all
he
is gonna
saying
depend
exactly?
on
Because
how
it
the
doesn't
news
make sense to just replay this entire video. So he's basically just talking about how the market is like establishing a stability in this trend, right? So this is all as a result of different things from the Wuhan coronavirus, the earnings. So there are a few, I guess, things that we kind of care about. So let me list them at the very least. Notepad, because I'm slow. I don't think this computer has a search function. Okay. Either way, basically the point is keep track of the coronavirus, the progress with the coronavirus, the infected. So it's not really as much of a concern as it was before. People forgot about it already. So that's one. Number 2 is the election cycle. Number 3, the earnings reports. Number 4, the trade deal with China. And number 5, everything with Iran. We forgot everything. That's the thing. The market has like a very short-term memory, and so it's slipping on that sense.
Develop. So that's been sitting out this whole time. Tesla is just a little out of my league there. But I don't know. Maybe we'll throw a YOLO Thursday, Friday. Report saying that they were worth like...
I would be down. I'd be down. Dude, I'd be down to put in $100 on each direction.
Busy all Thursday and Friday though.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, maybe not tomorrow.
Tomorrow's Thursday.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll be busy.
What do you have tomorrow?
Shit, bruh.
Shit. I'll mute it in a minute.
I got hot shit.
Shush.
$8 a share. We have like 3 contracts. That is because it had such a move during the market in general. So watch out for them. Watch out for Spotify.
So we have a few different companies that have earnings reports. So these are the things that we're kind of keeping on our watch list and stuff like that. What the fuck is this? This is my least favorite part of this, is having to adjust this. So there are definitely a few different things that we have to keep on our watch list as far as like earnings reports. He's talking about market stability, so that's a lot of the things. I think I'll cover that like maybe a little bit later when the market's not open. But yeah. So it was a short breakdown. These are the things to kind of keep an eye on. This video did not need to be as long as it is, but you know what? Deal with it.
Fuck you.
Okay. So now we got the recording, so we might as well upload it now. May as well. Philosophy starting now. No, I'm just kidding. We should do the philosophy, though. I don't have enough experience to give philosophy. I can only converse. There's still 3 people on. Who are these 3 people?
I feel like it's all you, though.
It's not. I'm
different
not on it
platforms.
on anything.
All right. Reply. Say hello if you're here.
Maybe they can't hear. What are they watching? What is so interesting?
You could be watching a YouTube video that's not us. Like something from...
Stop pushing us away. I've done all the work to
BuzzFeed.
bring these people here. They're mine now. Slow growth is the game, baby. 4 likes now, 10 tomorrow. I need to start editing shit. Yeah. Okay, stop. Stop fucking around now.
Alright. I'm just gonna cycle through. UAL. What is your thing at?
Ah, fuck. I forgot I was in that. Check next week.
You were in that.
I am in this. I was in the 82s.
138?
Yeah, so
Wow. It's good.
holding.
Yeah.
I'm happy. We made some money today, so
Yeah.
I'm pretty good with whatever the betrayal this was. Yeah, that was a good fucking call. I wish I bought this week. It would have made more.
Yeah.
It would have costed less, but I didn't think it was a possibility to hit, but it did. I actually did think it was gonna happen this week, but I was trying to be cautious. That's what I
More
get
time.
for being cautious. Yeah, more time is better. Always get
Yeah,
more
'cause
time.
No Ulta.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ulta if we waited one more week. Do I need to turn off the timeout in this thing?
Last time we did, we got fucked.
Dude, no, I didn't. I changed the password.
Oh.
This thing is requesting that we service its battery.
It knows. It's self-aware.
That's weird. What's that thing called? Screensaver? Yeah, I don't want screensaver mode ever. Oh, okay. There we go. Do you know why screensavers move?
Why?
It's so it doesn't burn the image into the.
Oh,
thing.
nice.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, BA just retraced all
Yeah,
the
I know.
way back.
I've been watching it.
Yeah.
Amazon fully retraced too. It's at 250 now. 2050. Okay. Do you want to shut down the stream for a bit and then come back maybe a little bit later?
Sure.
All right, guys. It has been fun so far. We'll be back again later. If you like this shit, subscribe. Yeah. We're a growing community with 7 people. So, you know, we're growing. 7 people's a lot. I mean, you can't... 7 people in a room in like a small bedroom is like too many. So consider it that way if you have to.
Like
Yeah.
how you said small bedroom.
Yeah, like a regular sized bedroom. 7 is like normal. But yeah, okay. Thank you guys for watching. I will do some deeper analysis actually. And when you guys start coming in, if you guys have questions, it gives us something to talk about. So we can answer them all you want, stuff like that. So yeah, but it's been fun, y'all. Come back soon. Love y'all.